In this dust bag, I have got my new perfect summer beach tote. All right, can't wait to share with you guys and share my opinion, my thoughts on it. So let's jump right in. Another hot and humid day here. It's been raining and blazing sun. Raining, blazing sun. So it's hot and humid. Pardon my greasy look because I can't anymore. All right, okay, so I've got a special bag in this video to talk about. It is this beautiful, beautiful summer tote that Coach released, I want to say like a month ago. I can't remember. I actually specifically bought this for beach outings, beach trips, summer vacations, even, casual wear during summer. It's a perfect, super lightweight, gorgeous bag that I think is worth every penny. Hi, my lovely people. Welcome back to another very quick, fabulous luxury fashion review, bag review. So right here, I've got the new Coach Brooklyn shoulder bag, size 39, I want to say. I got the bigger of the two sizes. This came in a big size and a small size. I believe this is 39. So at first when I saw this on the Coach website and I, saw this going kind of viral and selling out so fast, I thought this was a raffia bag, but it's not, you guys. It's actually straw. So it's like even more lightweight. It's like super light, like a feather. It's so light, which is like a dream when it comes to summer vacations. You guys know, right? So I was like, wow, I'm taking all the stuffing out. Wow, they really stuffed it. Okay, once you take the stuffing out, the dust bag is inside. Obviously, it came in the dust bag right here. So, yeah, I'm gonna take all these like protective stuff off. All right, there you go. I'm just getting it ready to go with me on summer vacation. I love the little luggage tag here. It's really cute. All right, so this is super lightweight, you guys. It's a hobo style bag. Let me kind of show it to you right away how it looks. It's pretty big, as you guys can see. I'm a 5'3", so it's like pretty huge, which is perfect for the beach. This is going to be one of the two bags that I'm going to bring with us onto the beach. Well, before I show inside, let me tell you, I absolutely love this. This is, you guys, I want to say, this feels almost like bamboo. I don't know if you guys can see this. So this is really cute. Like, do you see that? It's like bamboo wrapped in some sort of like straw thread, I want to say. So it says Coach Leatherwear on it. Absolutely love this like tan lettering on this tan bag. Super lightweight, perfect for summer vacation, for beach, screaming summer vacation bag. It's a very elegant, minimalist silhouette, which I love, and it's again perfect for the beach. And actually, even though I was slightly disappointed when I heard it's not raffia, it's straw, I actually now think I prefer straw because it is super light, you guys, but it's super strong. It's very strong. It can bear a pretty good weight, but it is super light. For the price you pay for this bag, which is so good, it's like $300, I want to say. Wow, it's really cool. It's a woven straw, as you guys can see. It's very strong. The Coach website says that this can fit a 15-inch laptop. Obviously it can bear weight too. 15-inch laptops ain't light, you know what I mean? So let me show you the best feature that I love about this bag. Look at this magnetic closure. It's so good. It like, I don't even have to look for it. Look, it finds each other. Like, look. It's look at that. It is super strong. Let me show you. Like, you only have to, see? I didn't even look for it. Watch. There, did you see that? It finds each other and closes. It's such good quality, you guys. And I love the way they did the magnetic closure like that in tan. Look at that. I don't even have to look. Just bring it close and they just, you know. So I love it. I think Coach is such good value for your money. Do you see this? It says Coach, beautiful luggage tag and everything. You guys, I just bought thousands of dollars worth Louis Vuitton bags and SLGs. So a massive Louis Vuitton birthday haul is coming your way. But you know, when I think about how much I drop on Louis Vuitton and Chanel and so on and so forth, I feel like I get so much more value for the money with Coach a lot of the times, you guys. Honestly, I feel like this is the only brand that's left that gives you value for the money when it comes to luxury. Maybe some of the people may not consider Coach luxury, but I think it's luxury when you get quality for a really good price. I don't hear very much about Coach having any quality issues. And look at this. I mean, this is quality closures, for example, that you get for that price. So yeah, I love this bag. What can I say? There's not much to say about it. I will be loving this on the beach. So I'll be bringing this, you know, I love to take a bag that, you know, on summer vacation that you can take actually to the beach, on the beach, with your sunscreens, the books you want to read, your, you know, electronics, I don't know, whatever you want to bring, whatever you bring to the beach, you know. Bring in this and then put it, you know, on the sand. You don't have to worry about it. It's straw, you know, all that. And then you take it later out in town, even, like, you know, go shopping, like to the beach boardwalk or whatever is near there, you know. I just love it. And I love this wide shoulder strap that's beautifully woven and it's very comfortable. Like, you can really load this thing up and still be comfortable, you guys. I'm telling you. So you guys, as you can see, this is a good baby. Good baby. You know, unfortunately, it's sold out on Coach website, but you can sign up for notifications. I believe Dillard's might still have it. Just do a Google search, okay? So yeah, this is the Coach Brooklyn 39, I believe is the size. So yeah, you guys, loving my summer beach tote. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick review of this beautiful value for the money summer straw bag for the beach, for beach trips, beach vacations, what have you, or just casual wear in summertime in your casual sort of breezy clothes. Okay, so let me know your comments down below in the comment section. Do you like a bag like this for summertime? I love it. I've been looking for a proper straw or raffia beach bag. I got it, and I don't have to worry about messing it up. You know, it's $300, you guys. So if I ruin it in some kind of way, I drop it in the sea, I don't know, I don't have to worry too much about it because it's a really reasonable price. So I don't have to baby it. That's the thing. And I still get value for the money with this type of magnetic closure and the beautiful look and the luxurious, you know, feel to it and everything else. And I tell you, the straw is lighter than raffia, so good on my books. All right, like I said, chime down in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you will get notifications whenever I upload. All right, you guys, don't forget to follow me on social media, and I will see you guys in my next video.